Good morning. Welcome to your 15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mild as well as rainy conditions across the region this morning. Going to see that regime for the rest of the day with rain showers in and out of the area throughout the day today, and then we'll see some chances of some heavier rainfall as well as an isolated thunderstorm with some move in the evening hours as well as the early overnight hours of Wednesday into Thursday. And then we should see some drier conditions for Thursday, although remaining fairly cloudy across the region. Taking a look at the radar imagery this morning, you can see we do have lots of returns on the radar, as indicating that rainfall moving through the region. That's going to be the case for today, with periods of rainfall, some of that moderate at times, and then we'll see that chance of some heavier rainfall moving in for this evening. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have an area of low pressure that's going to move through the region overnight tonight, and then we'll have a cold front associated with that as well, move through the overnight hours. So we'll see a combination of a weak area low pressure riding along this boundary just off our coast, and then the cold front pushing through overnight. And we'll see a weak area high pressure build in thereafter, but lots of upper level troughiness across the eastern United States for our Thursday and Friday. That's going to keep us fairly cloudy across the region with some slight chances of some sprinkles across the area. So taking a look at our current observation, overcast at 9,000 feet, 5 miles statute visibility, some light rain, winds of the southeast at 6 knots, temperature 55 degrees, and relative humidity at 93%. So taking a look at our current HRRR model run for today, you can see the rain shower activity moving through. Could see a break in the rain shower activity in the early afternoon, but those breaks will be short-lived, as we'll see more rainfall build in across the region, especially with that area low pressure moving through for the evening into the early overnight hours. You can see here the HRRR does bring some heavier rainfall near the region just around midnight tonight, with that area low pressure moving through, as well as a isolated thunderstorm possible during that time period. So taking a look at our risk chart for today, high around 58, 59 degrees. That'll be during the late afternoon and the evening hours, and then we'll see our low only drop down to 51 tonight. That's about 20 degrees above normal, so seeing those overnight lows well above normal this time of year. Our southeasterly winds will increase this afternoon, gusting up to about 21 knots by the evening hours, sustained around 10 to 15 knots. And we'll see those winds turn northwesterly tomorrow morning as that area low pressure moves off to our north and east. Rainfall chances are likely today, continuing through about 2 local on Thursday morning, and we'll see that slight chance, around 20% chance of a thunderstorm from 20 local until 2 local on Thursday morning. As well as we'll see low clouds build in, especially in the overnight hours, with that area low pressure moving through the region. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see those ceilings lower, and by about 1800 local this evening, we'll see ceilings down at 300 feet, and we'll see those ceilings low through tomorrow morning. As I mentioned, we'll have those rain showers in the region today, becoming more showery in general after 1400 local, and we'll see chances of some moderate rainfall as well, or brief periods of heavy rainfall with those showers moving through during the evening hours. 20% chance of a thunderstorm, as I mentioned, from 20 local this evening until 2 local overnight Thursday. And then Thursday, 8 local, we'll just see some lower ceilings around 400 feet. We'll see some mist as well, and possibility of some light drizzle in the region for Thursday morning. Our tides are about a half to 1 foot above normal currently, and looking into our Thursday into Friday, overcast with low clouds, likely during the morning, becoming mostly cloudy in the afternoon. We'll see a chance of drizzle in the morning on Thursday, high of 57 degrees. Yellow here for the chance of drizzle. Some of the models are indicating that we could have some light periods of drizzle on Thursday morning, as well as seeing a good chance of those low clouds below 500 feet. Thursday night, mostly cloudy with a very slight chance of a sprinkle, a low of 44, and for Friday, mostly cloudy, overcast, slight chance of a shower late, high of 55 degrees. We'll see chances of low ceilings once again for Thursday night and Friday, and that shower chance looks like it should come in during the the early evening hours on Friday, with another piece of energy moving through in the upper level trough of the eastern United States. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. Back at 10 o'clock. Look like 7 days.